Welcome to the ProCoder09 channel.
You guys won't believe this. The video you are watching right now was fully created using Google Veo 3.1. I mean, just look at this. The clarity, the motion, the lightning, every single frame looks like it came straight out of a Hollywood studio. The crying, the tears, it was unreal. The sound, it looked pure, and the detailing, it was on another level. But here is the catch. Veo 3.1 isn't available for everyone yet. It's officially launched, but only for a few members. But I have got a platform where you can also use Veo 3.1 by yourself, like me that I am using. That is Higgsfield AI. So don't worry guys, I will give you step-by-step tutorial in this video, how you get the Veo 3 access, how you can use it, and you can create those videos. The video till the end because you will get to know everything in this video.
And let's start the video.
So I have provided a link in the description. What you have to do is to click on this link and you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see we have some links here, that is images, video, edit, then we have Sora as well, which I have already cleared in the previous video, how you can create. Okay, so now we have to move and we are going to use Veo 3 because Veo 3.1 is insanely and not compared to Sora 2. Okay, so let me just show you. So here you can see we have pricing, Discord, and login. So what you have to do first thing is to log in here. So click on login and you can log in from Google, Apple, Microsoft, or email. I will go with Google. So let's click it. So guys, after login, you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see there is my profile here. And before that, let me just go and show you the pricing here. So here you can see we have monthly and annual pricing. So in the monthly, we have to just go here monthly. Here you can see we have basics, pro, ultimate, and creator. In the basics, you will get 150 credit per month, and that's all. To concurrent generation means in the pro, the concurrent move to 3 and credit is moved to 600. Then in ultimate, it's 1200, and then in creator, it's 6000. Okay. And not only that, here you can see the models in basic is too low, but here in pro we have Sora 2 as well, but in ultimate we have Sora 2, then Veo 3 as well. Okay, and in creator you get almost everything. So I have the ultimate here. Okay, I have this ultimate, and if you want you can go and buy this, but if you just go to annual pricing you will get 40% off. So you can go and check it out which one you want. Okay, by the way guys, here you can see there are some community as well. Like here this is 1 2.5 community, then here are some visual effects community, those users who just create videos and share with you guys, that are available here. Okay, you can check it out if you want. Okay, so now let's go and move to Veo 3 part. So you have to just go to video, and here you can see there are some features as well as some models here, and there is early access, that is Veo 3.1, and I have already explained this part, that is Sora 2 and everything, but let me just move to Veo 3.1. You have already checked out these things because I have created using this Veo 3.1. Okay, and not only that, I have created some other as well. Okay, so guys, here you can see in my left side there is, so here inside the upload image you can upload image or you can generate it as well. Okay, not only that, here inside the prompt you have to just write a simple prompt in your text and you can just click on enhance all. So what it will do, it will just enhance your text in a better format way so that the Google viewer will understand better. Okay, and also here inside the model you can change the model whatever you like. Okay, there is Sora 2 Pro, then Google Veo 3.1, 3 fast, so whatever you want you can use. And here you can check quality, that is 720 and 1080 pixels. Inside the aspect ratio, here you can see we have 16:9 and 9:16. Now here is the thing, I have to just upload an image and write the prompt. I will use this anime character image. This anime girl will say Higgsfield AI is the best platform for video editors and content writers. Then she will move away with a flower in her hand. I have uploaded an image and write the prompt, and I have on the enhanced on. Okay, so now what I will do is to click on 58 credits here and it will start generating. So here you can see it is in QE right now. So guys, the video is ready now, and if I just click here and check the video first, so let's click here, and
Higgsfield AI is best platform for video editors and content writers.
guys, it was insane. The video quality, the video is perfectly fine. If you just look at this here, if I just the the smoothness is guys amazing. I'm telling you guys, this is insane and it is a revolution in the video editing field. Okay, let's create another video. I will go and upload a car image here, and what I will type is make this car chasing by the police cars and the police car will destroyed. Now you can see it start generating. So guys, finally the video is here and let's test it out. Okay, so if I just click here and show you, it was crazy guys. Look at these things. If I just move a little bit, you can see the crashing things is amazing guys. If I just show you again here, the crashing part is like look like real because the reflections and everything is insane. So I'm worried about those who are just editing because it's a revolution, guys. And I will just prefer you to go and check out this platform. It was insane. I have provided all the links in the description. You have to just go and click on the link and then you will redirect it here, create the account and use it. That's all you have to do and nothing else. So go and check it out guys. If you have any question regarding anything, just let me know in the comment section, and also after you just tell me how it is, okay, in the comment below. I will wait for your comments, and at the end I will just say
Like and subscribe.